nieces and nephews. Welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, guys. Now, like I said, it's not Christmas without gingerbread. And I don't mean just gingerbread cookies and gingerbread, what do they call them things? Gingerbread man, whatever you call them. But, you got to have something on for breakfast with gingerbread. It features, right? So we're going to make my gingerbread waffles, okay? Yes, gingerbread waffles, so you can have that for breakfast, all right? So give me a moment. We're going to do a flip and a swip, and we're going to show you everything you need so you can make Auntie gingerbread waffles at your house, all right? So hold on, be right back. Okay, we're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, okay? 2 cups of that. We're going to using, just do white stuff first. Okay, we got our 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking soda to 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a half teaspoon of salt. And we're going to pour that in. Now, we're going to have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and you just smell this aroma. 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, and 1 half teaspoon of cloves, or 1/2. So we're going to throw all that in, and we're going to mix our dry ingredients, get them a good whisk. Just smell that. You can smell those cloves and cinnamon and ginger all coming together. No, we're not using nutmeg. Okay, we're going to push that to the side. We're going to use 4 egg yolks. It's 4 large eggs, but we have to separate them and have our 4 egg yolks and 4 egg whites. And we're going to set our egg whites to the side. 1/3 cup of molasses. Now, when we're talking about molasses, remember, get this out the pantry. Remember we said the unsulfured, and this is my go-to brand. I only use Grandma's molasses. And I've used a lot of molasses in this past, since November came in. I've used a lot of molasses. You're going to use 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to be using some vanilla bean paste instead of extract. Auntie's extra, because that vanilla bean paste is going to elevate the flavor. So that's why I'm going with the more potent. You can use extract. Vanilla extract would do fine, okay? And 1 cup of cold buttermilk, which is still in the refrigerator. You're going to need a waffle maker. You can use this kind. Any kind of waffle maker will do. There's no particular brand of waffle maker that you can either use, like the mini ones, because that's the one that I use for me, the little mini waffle maker. You can use one of those. And if you don't want to make waffles because you don't have a waffle maker, you can make pancakes, okay? Improvise, nieces and nephews. Okay, before you can use these egg whites, we got to whip them into a soft peak. We can't use them like this. We got to whip them to a soft peak, okay? So we need to take our egg whites. Oh, I was looking for them, couldn't find them. There's Christmas morning. I love to have a special breakfast, and I said, well, I'm going to show you guys how to make the gingerbread waffles. So we're going to whip this. Now, I'm not going to leave y'all listen to all this noise because it's annoying and it's boring. So I'm going to whip these into a soft peak, and I'll show you what soft peak looks like in a minute, okay? Okay, this is not soft peak. So if you see your egg whites looking like that, that's not soft peak yet, okay? It's starting to form soft peaks. So we're going to keep going. This is soft peak. See, this is what soft peak looks like. It's not stiff, it's soft. This is a soft peak. That's a soft peak, okay? So we're going to set this to the side, and we're going to add our wet ingredients. Whoa, I'm going to knock something down. Throw that over there for a little housekeeping. Now we're going to start on our mixing our batter. We got our dry mix already blended in here. We're going to go ahead, add our 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix this all together. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix this all together. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix this all together. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix this all together. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix this all together. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix this all together. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix this all together. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix this all together. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. And we're going to mix this all together. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspo tablespoon of the vanilla bean paste. Again, I'm using vanilla bean paste instead of extract because I want a more flavorful gingerbread waffle with the vanilla bean extract because this is more concentrated. Get all that goodness out of there. Okay, a little housekeeping. And here comes my good old molasses. Get that on in there. Get all that goodness out of there. Remember what I said, if you take a little oil, just a little bit of oil, and just oil your inside of your glass and spoon, and it'll help your molasses. Anything that's of a thick nature, it help it come out your glass. You know, your measuring cup or spoon. Okay? We're going to add our eggs. Get all that goodness out of there. Add our buttermilk. And we're going to blend this up. And I'm going to use my mixer to mix this. Same rule. Same rule. On the side of the bowl, it ain't what? It ain't mixing. So I'm going to take my silicone spatula and go to the side of this bowl and get all my goodness. Okay, we're going to fold our egg whites in. We say fold them in. I'm going to fold them in. That's what folding is. I'm just not throwing them in and mixing them in. I'm going to fold them in. This is what folding is. Throw that over there, little housekeeper. Sorry about the noise. I'm going to fold the rest of these in. And this, what this does is makes your waffle, your gingerbread waffle really nice and fluffy. Makes it really fluffy. When you fold it, that's what you're folding them in. It's not a lot of work, family. Just those few little ingredients. You know, people see how many ingredients it takes and you run from it. Don't run, park the brakes, okay? And I just think making that special Christmas breakfast, it's always been, I've been doing it for, what? How old is my son? Lord, I forgot my son's age. You know, since he was a year old. So, I always believe in having a special Christmas morning breakfast. That's always been a tradition of having that Christmas morning breakfast, a special breakfast. So I'm going to fold them all in, making sure they're really well blended. I'm going to get my waffle iron turned on and get it heated. Okay, I'm going to push this to the side while I put this to the side rather, and so I get the waffle iron started. Okay, we are good to go. It's ready. Spray a little Pam. I got my, keep your whisk in here so you can whiskey. Keep it nice and goody. And this is a 1/2 cup. This is my 1/2 cup measuring cup. Now this is going to spread. Now if you make a mess, that's why you got soap and water. All right? And I'm going to let this be until that ready light comes on. Guys, once that heat hits this stuff, these waffles, and start cooking them, that aroma, if you're standing right here like auntie, it hits your nose, it just wakes your nostrils up. And then your taste buds start waking up and can't wait to dive into them. I just love the taste of gingerbread. And like I said, Christmas ain't Christmas without some gingerbread. Got that gingerbread flair. I got my gingerbread coffee and my gingerbread coffee syrup. I got my gingerbread coffee creamer. I'm gingerbread out. Maybe somebody need to cut me into a cookie. Guys, look at that. That looks so good. Gonna take this off. I think. Can't find my tongue. Gonna take this off of here, and we're gonna plate it over here, and we're gonna get the next one down. So I guess I could use my 1 cup measuring cup. And we got our waffle out. I already have the 2 packs of butter. Got that. And we're going to put some maple syrup on the side. Got that. You can use regular pancake syrup, or you can use the maple syrup. And here we have it. Butter pecan waffle. You can add whatever meat you like. You got your butter pecan waffle. And you know what else make a perfect addition to this? Hold on. Yeah. Now we're cooking with Christmas. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's pretty. Here we are. We got our gingerbread waffle with 2 butter pasts. I put a little powdered sugar on to give that festive look with the maple syrup. Now you can heat your maple syrup, or Or if you don't want to use maple syrup, you could use any kind of syrup you want. I usually cut one of these little quarters off, not eating quarters, and I use sugar-free syrup. But the holidays, we diabetics like to have a little fun too, so I like to use a little bit of my alga, my pecan syrup. Show you what it looks like. You country folks know what it is. Yeah, you country folks know what you see how small they've made this now for $6. But you know what? It paid to be the boss. I'm still gonna buy it. I grew up on this with biscuits and cornbread. Yum, yum, yum. And it's good on pancakes too. Okay? I also got my pickled peaches. So y'all see, Auntie is good. She's good to go. Now the pickled peaches are for my vegetables, like my green beans. I'm the only one that eats them. So I'm just glad you all. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you make these waffles for your family. I really do. They will love them. They will love them. Thank you guys for watching my video on how you make Auntie's gingerbread waffles. It'll be a special treat to serve your family that special Christmas breakfast on Christmas morning. And you don't have to wait till the holiday seasons to enjoy gingerbread waffles. You know, you can eat it any time of the year, any time of the day. It's up to you because it's your appetite, your palate, whenever you want, right? That's what it is, okay? So thank you again for all your love and support. Until my next upload, you know, wrapping up these Christmas delicacies or Christmas delights. Until the next upload, tight hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. See you later and very soon. Bye.